pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay mga independent women.
That's right!
Na, ikaw ay bagong independent woman.
Hindi ako expert. Bago
Hindi
pa lang,
expert.
nag-uumpisa lang, syempre.
Getting to know the independence.
Exploring.
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 Sige nga, i-define mo kung ano independent woman.
Independent woman is a woman who takes care of herself. Tawag dito, you go wherever you want to. You make decisions on your own na hindi ka humihingi ng, hindi ka nagungonsulta sa kung sino-sino. Diba? And you take care of your soul, your spirit.
Eto na po. Ang mga guests natin today ay mga independent women para sa iba-ibang dahilan na ating aalamin. Chichismisan tayo, makikipag-chismisan tayo sa kanilang
The
mga
joys
kaligayahan.
and pains of being single, yung mahirap nga ba?
At kahit na ikaw,
Kahit naman hindi na kayo independent, kagaya ni Jelly na
Oo.
may asawa na siya, pwede pa rin kayong maging independent.
of course,
Diba?
dapat
May
pa rin kayong maging
matututunan
independent.
pa rin. Magaganda, syempre, matatalino.
At malalakas.
Malalakas ang loob ng mga kababaihang guests namin.
Kaya 60 minuto yan ang balitaktakan today. Dito lang sa SIS!
Yes, totoo po. Puro mga independent women ang aming kasama today. Siyempre, let's start. Writer, broadcaster, Dali Ann Carvajal. Hello, so good to be here. Yes, actually, kumari ko yan. Oo, ang dahil ko ng utang.
I've been living alone for 1.5 years now and loving every minute of it.
1.5 years lang?
Yeah, 1.5 years.
Next,
Okay, next.
actress, writer Jackie Castillejo.
Hey!
I have to say how long I've been. I lived alone for about 15 years.
Wow.
Yeah, but now I live with my parents.
Baliktad mo balik.
Yeah, I'm starting to grow up now. So
Of course, beauty queen, model, and actress Georgina Sandico.
I started living alone when I started working at the age of 18, started modeling. And because at that time, my parents still sending me to school, then I asked them to stop giving me money because I'm earning already. At the time, ayun, I moved out, then ayun, may sarili na ang place.
Okay. Film, TV, and theater artist Pinky Amador.
Good morning. I moved out when I was 19. I won't say how long ago
Okay,
that was.
basta it was some time ago before.
Some time ago. Some lifetime ago. Pero wala nang 19.
Okay, first and foremost question for Dali Ann. Ano ang masasabi mo sa show namin?
Ayun na. Teka.
Dali Ann. Dali Ann.
It has a fighting chance. Sabi ko, it takes a while to form a habit, di ba? And I'm happy that somehow, ano na rin, the rating, hindi na nagkakalayo. Uy! Dahil natin yung show yan. Totoo yan. Naman tayo pa, kumare. What are kumares ko?
Correct.
Napinawisan ako doon.
First question lang yun. Okay, Pinky, what is it to be independent? What is independence to you first? What is being an independent woman? Woman. Ang ibig ba sabihin nun, independent ka sa asawa, independent ka sa boyfriend, independent ka sa mama and papa, o gano'n?
Ano, independent ka sa sarili mo, whether you're a man or a woman. And I think you get independence by self-confidence, may self-respect ka, alam mo na kung sino ka, kung anong makakapagpaligaya sa'yo, gano'n. O, diba? Parang, kagalang-galang ang mga
Galang-galang
sagot.
sana. Georgina, bata pa lang, parang bata pa lang kayo, trained na ba kayo to be independent? Kasi at the age of how old?
No, kasi
18,
bata,
sabi mo kanina?
18 I moved out na. Kasi before that, nung mga bata pa kami, lumaki kami sa mga yaya na eh. So, tapos I usually hang out with my brothers and sisters. So, bata pa lang kami, kanya-kanya na. Kahit sa mga turo sa eskwela, we don't ask from our parents, sa mga kapatid lang. Kahit nga, I never remembered a chance that my parents attended a PTA school meeting sa school namin. Never. So, solo-solo kami
So,
pagdating sa
bata
bahay.
pa lang, independent ka na.
Yeah, bata
Kayong
pa lang.
magkakapatid,
Kami
actually.
magkakapatid.